Hi guys, my name is Alex, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the best time-saving shortcuts for Adobe Premiere. I found out many of the shortcuts and techniques only recently and I don't even know how I lived before without them. Let's begin. In most cases, at the beginning of the editing we need to find the best moments from all the footage. Usually we do this as follows. We drop all the videos on the timeline and cut or trim each of them. It's like normal, but it can be done much easier. We need to double click on any video and in the preview window we look for the best start. And when I found the start point which I liked, I press I, then look for the end and press O. After that press comma and now this moment is moved to the timeline. We do like this with the rest of the videos and they will appear on the timeline one by one. For me it's very useful. When we made such an initial setup, we still most likely have to cut something, extend some moments and so on. To quickly trim the video and all tracks, put the scrubber in the desired position and press Q to trim the left side. Now put the scrubber one more time into position on the right and press W to trim the right side. So Q and W shortcuts will trim all the tracks, and to trim only the selected tracks you need to select the ones and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Q to trim from the left side and Ctrl plus Alt plus W to trim from the right side. Sometimes you need to swap two videos on the track. How did we do this before? We move one video here, then this one move below, we return the first one to the place and move the second one, and so on, so on. So this method is quite long and we can swap two videos automatically. To swap videos, hold down Ctrl plus Alt, move the one video to the beginning of another, and that's it. In addition, sometimes you need to create a copy of the video. To do this, hold Alt and drag it to another location, so you can create duplicates. In the case when audio is connected to the video in one group, by command trimming you can cut the video and the audio at the same time. But if you hold down Alt, you can crop the video and the audio apart and do not lose connection between them. Sometimes it happens that you have edited a lot of videos and so on, but you want to trim some in the middle. If you will use the trim in the usual way, then there will be a gap and we will have to move all the video by yourself. But if you press B and cut the video, then all the videos on the right will be moved to it. I hope these tips will be useful for you. In general, these shortcuts are fairly simple, but they greatly speed up the editing process of your videos. Basically that's it. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel to get new videos, bye.